Hello, my name is Kendall Marshall, and my project for my demonstrative speech is called Drink More, Think Stronger, and Run Faster. Each day, millions of Americans set a goal to run a 5K. Many of these Americans do not reach that goal. If it was easy, everybody would do it, and there would not be apps such as Couch to 5K. With any sporting event, you have to prepare, sometimes for months or even years, to be physically ready for the event. It is just as important to be mentally prepared. In some instances, being mentally prepared for the challenge is more important and harder to prepare for. Therefore, I choose to do my project by having an inspirational water bottle stand for the upcoming 5K here at the University of Charleston. These runners have prepared their bodies for months for this event, and this stand can help to keep them on track both physically and mentally. As they take their water to help them rehydrate their bodies, they will also see words on the bottle to help them maintain their focus and complete their course across the finish line. The following LLOs that help to make this project successful are communication. You have to have communication to help spread the word about the booth and to help cheer on the contestants. Citizenship. Citizenship helps to show support to the participants by encouraging them. Creativity. Creativity provides good, encouraging, inspirational sayings. Critical thinking. To bring two things together, such as the water and the quotes, and putting them into one to help for a better purpose. Ethical practice. To give strength to all of the runners to help them finish the race. Inquiry. To find out different information about the race by asking questions and seeking knowledge from previous runners to find out what sayings, signs stood out the most to them. This project will have to be completed in steps. Step 1. Find out how many participants will be participating as soon as possible. Step 2. Get enough water for at least one bottle per runner. Step 3. Get sheets of colored paper for the inspirational sayings. Step 4. Find out exactly where the race will be ran. Step 5. Get supplies to make the booth. Step 6. Get quotes saying, get enough for at least one per each bottle. Step 7. Build booth and get ready for the race. These steps should help the class realize the goal of the project upon its completion with the water bottles and quotes. The project cannot be completed on its own, therefore my classmates will all be assigned a specific duty to help. Half of the girls in the class will be responsible for finding out how many will be participating in the race and where it will be ran. Each person in the class will be responsible to bring at least one case of water and one package of colored paper to get us started. The other half of the girls will be responsible for printing out the quotes and gluing them onto the water bottles. Half of the guys will be responsible for getting the supplies, and the other half will be responsible for making the booth. To make sure all this stuff is able to be completed, it needs to be started as soon as possible. There are many things that can delay project goals, such as not having enough water, not having enough quotes, or not having enough supplies. This is why we need to start the project as soon as possible. In case we run into these problems, we have plenty of time to fix them. This project should be one that is not only relatively easy, but one that is also very fun. Helping others by giving them confidence and mental strength is something that everybody should enjoy. Not only can you help to rehydrate them, but you can also help to put a smile on their face and watch them succeed. Thank you.
That was good.